Hi there, and welcome to this Klaviyo product series. My name's Bella, and I'm a solutions engineer here in our APAC team at Klaviyo. Today I'll be taking you through a short demonstration of one of our newest products in the K-Service suite, Customer Agent. We did a session on Customer Agent a few months ago, but so much has happened since then we wanted to do an updated version. Customer Agent is a 24/7 AI assistant for your storefront that helps shoppers get instant answers to their questions. Customer Agent is designed to be quick to launch with no complex setup or training. It's automatically trained on your catalogue, storefront content, and policies, so it can immediately start helping customers with things like product questions, order tracking, or returns, and escalate to a human agent when needed. And importantly, it works across channels, including web chat, SMS, email, and WhatsApp, providing one seamless experience for your customer on whichever channel they prefer. The result is an experience where every shopper effectively has their own personal shopping assistant, helping them find what they need faster while freeing up your support team to focus on more complex requests. Let's jump into the demo. Here we're looking at a storefront with Customer Agent enabled through the Customer Hub widget. When I open the widget, the first thing I'll see is a self-service experience with frequently asked questions. These FAQs can help answer common questions, and they're fully configurable in the Klaviyo backend and allow brands to surface their most common support topics instantly. If a customer does want more help, this is where they can simply start a conversation. I'll ask it a question like, what products are best for running? The agent understands the intent of the question and searches across the entire product catalogue to generate recommendations. It will return a set of relevant products and present them in a shoppable carousel. From here, customers can directly add to cart or save them to their favourites. They can also click into the product page for more information. This makes it really easy to go from conversation to purchase in just a few clicks. Another powerful capability is that the agent understands context. If a shopper is viewing a specific product page, they can ask questions directly about that item, like sizing, materials, or reviews, and the agent will respond with information about that product. Here I'm going to ask what the sizing for this one is like. Customer Agent isn't just focused on driving purchases, it also supports post-purchase questions. For example, I can ask, what's the status of my most recent order? Because Klaviyo integrates natively with Shopify platforms, the agent can access order information and provide updates instantly. The Customer Agent can also help customers with returns, exchanges, order modification requests, and loyalty lookups. They can answer policy questions, check order eligibility, and guide the customer to the correct next step, or escalate to a human if needed. These types of requests are some of the highest volume support tickets for e-commerce brands, so automating them can significantly reduce support workload. If the agent receives a request it cannot fully resolve, for example, if I say, my return didn't come through, can I speak to someone? It will recognise that the request requires human support and escalate the conversation to a live agent or connected help desk, such as Zendesk or Gorgeous. The full conversation context is passed along, so the support team has all the information they need. Now let's take a look at what Customer Agent looks like within Klaviyo. Under the Service section of our dashboard on the left-hand side, we have Customer Agent as an option here. This takes us to our dashboard. Here I'm able to see automated knowledge gaps detected by the agent for you. To share more context, we get key performance metrics and active conversations happening with our Customer Agent. Specific pieces of information for the agent to know may not be surfaced on your site, like extended shipping delays during peak sale times. These can be imported in the form of a file, text, or an external web page for your agent to be updated on. What's new here is that Customer Agent is no longer limited to out-of-the-box skills. Brands can define their own skills in plain language, connect the tools to external APIs, and let the agent decide to use them based on the customer intent. That means if a brand has a unique workflow or a system that Klaviyo doesn't natively integrate with, we can still bring that data into the conversation and automate much more tailored support experiences. Customer Agent also includes a dedicated skills page. This gives teams visibility into the capabilities the agent is using, such as product recommendations, order support, or returns. You can see which skills are active, whether any prerequisites are required, and even view performance metrics for each skill. This helps teams understand exactly how agent is helping customers and where automation is driving the most impact. Guidance, which is coming soon, will allow you to control things like the agent persona, selling strategy, and escalation topics. Another useful feature is Agent Preview. This lets you test the agent's responses before going live. You can simulate conversations, test specific scenarios, and even preview responses from the perspective of different profiles. Under Launch and Settings, we have the different channels that you can utilize Customer Agent through, where you can set up targeting rules such as segments or keywords that the agent should or shouldn't respond to. Within Settings, this is where you can customize things like the agent's tone of voice and the name of the agent here. To summarize, Klaviyo's Customer Agent helps brands deliver instant conversational support and shopping experience at scale. It answers questions, recommends products, retrieves coupons, helps with orders and returns, and escalates to your team when needed, all while learning from every interaction. And it's powered by Klaviyo customer data. Every conversation can become an opportunity to drive engagement, build relationships, and increase revenue. If you'd like to learn more, please follow this link and we'll get back to you. Thank you for watching.